Hello, everybody. Got a new fit. Got that. Oh, hold on. Got that thing, then the other thing. And we're gonna go into competitive lobbies and casual, I guess. See if we can find any monkeys that are in this tome of conduct breaking any of it. Cheats, mods, or just any of this. So, first lobby. No.
You're a liar. Liar. No. Can you teach me how to branch? All I want to know is I know. Bro,
Hey,
you know how to branch. Where did he go?
None. Okay. It's just. Yeah. It's just.
I'm naked on this branch. Yeah. You want someone to see, guys?
No, it's corner city lobby. Sometimes.
I have the bucket. Can somebody teach me? Can somebody teach me how to do the competitive game? Can somebody teach me how to do Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm a big fan of your work. I'm definitely not team I'm a big fan. Definitely not team No.
What?
I'm a big fan.
Wait,
It's the bucket.
I'm not.
Yo, hey, I'll help you. Don't go. I'm a big fan. Hey, you wanna see something? Hey, purple. You wanna see something? Yes. Yeah, watch this. Do you wanna see something? Wait a moment. You mean? No joke. I'm gonna do this. You wanna see something? Look. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan.
Oh, okay. Yep.
Huh? It's DJ.
Hold on, what's your name?
Wait.
Yep, boom.
Hello.
First one down. Cheating.
GG.
I caught him cheating.
20K.
Hello.
Is there a girl in here?
I don't know. But there was somebody with mods. Okay. That's nice. First one in the hole. We should just do another city lobby. I feel like that might be small.
Help me! Help me!
Oh.
Help me! He's abusing me! He's abusing me!
Wait, I think I have it. How do you do that?
Black help! Black
It
help!
right there.
Wait,
Come here. No, come here. Oh no, that's not the same one. Green. Wait, come here. What that does? Green.
Just stretching my arms, man.
Come here.
You can't touch me.
I wonder if that's a bannable offense.
I think I got it.
No, it's not. They're legal mods.
Okay.
They're legal.
Green.
But you should be well, here, you should be in a private code or a modded code
I have it.
to use those.
No, it's a visual.
Look, I have it. Look.
It's a visual mod. So therefore,
Look, I have it.
use it. And
Look, I have it. Look.
But yo, if that was a glitch, it would be fine. But like, if it was mods, need to be, it would. There was just need to be like a mod menu in place
no,
or something.
I
I was just joking.
Just like that's how I would see it. That's just me.
I clicked my computer. Look, this is my PC right here. Look. Listen.
Oh my god, you're so cute.
Right there.
No, it's not a glitch. It's like a glitch where you have to do with the report one, and like you have to place your fingers.
No,
in
this
between
isn't a
these.
glitch, dude. This isn't a glitch. I'm actually plugged into my computer. So what I do is I click on
Stop the count. Stop the count.
Yo, dude.
I go to.
Oh my god,
I go to
Oh yeah, you need to be using Steam for also.
It's a glitch.
2 minutes.
You're kind of cute.
it is a glitch. My friend put it into mod.
You're kind of cute.
Don't even.
That's real.
I'm way out of your league.
No, I'm just. Okay. Forest. I've seen some toxic people in Forest. Oh, whoa. Hold on, can I see if you're floating in the air? Just put your arms like this. Let me see if you're floating. Oh yeah, that's definitely floating in the air. That's definitely floating in the air. Definitely a bannable offense. Technically long arms, so yeah. That's nice.
Does anyone know
Second one.
a game with free mods?
That was nice. Yes.
Guys, do anyone know my TikTok?
No, I
Why
don't.
not TikTok?
But do you know my YouTube channel? Just look up
Wait, I
Ghost
know some
VR,
YouTube.
and I probably won't show up because I'm too small.
Oh wait.
I'm really too small. Okay, I'm just gonna switch to City Forest, City Forest, City Forest, because, you know. Whoa, what? Did somebody just say to join? Oh, yep. Hold on, was it you? Was it you that said it? Who said it? Who said? Was it you?
Yes. Yeah, join the code
No.
KKK. Jump up there. Shut the finger
It's
badge.
gonna
ban you from
That is-
that code is gonna ban you from
Shooty, putty up. Everyone in the server reported you already, Blue, for saying to join that code.
anything else.
What code? Join the code KKK.
Anything else?
Yeah, you can't. That's a bannable offense. It's a very bannable offense.
Would expect. What?
Anything else you want to say, Chef?
Yeah, you're gay. That's what. Minor VR.
Anything else?
You all gotta chill. Look,
Bro, you got
my
that
God.
off of YouTube or whatever. Stop there right now.
No, I didn't.
And you
Bro, he's trying to ban kids.
It's a
He's trying to ban kids.
He did ban a child. He already did ban a child. Cause he's gay.
well, did you guys know
God.
not to put it in?
Bro, everyone.
Whoa. Sefat, did you just say the N-word? Sefat, did you just say the N-word?
Has to live up to these kids.
I might be wrong, but I think that's just not it.
Okay,
Maybe.
I just taught this kid to walk for him. I taught him everything. And I'm
Yeah,
pissed off him.
leave.
Minor monk.
You're not falling for your stupid tricks.
There's so many rights in here. Whoa, pause.
Bro, KKK.
Whoa, okay, yup. Who just said that? Who just said that? Two in a row.
Support, bud. It's false support, bud.
Nah, you're really annoying, bro. You're gonna get banned in like 2 seconds.
Nah. No.
Okay, then I'm just gonna do it one.
The whole
No.
server reported him
Yeah,
already.
no,
Bro's
that'd
gonna
be.
get banned in like 1 day.
Oh,
and
shit,
bro's
I
gonna
didn't
be
even
like,
know cosmetics, dog. What?
Are you serious right now, man?
Yeah, you can't just say, oh, join the room, KKK. It's not acceptable. Don't do. Just no.
Hey, I want
It's just not acceptable.
Cosmetics, shall we?
shut away.
Finally
It's a whistle for the
Just gonna do that.
Oh!
Oh my god. How many people have that color code?
Shut up!
Finally, he's listening to those dummies. Because they're dummies.
Alright, that's pretty cool.
How am I toxic?
Hey, does this change in any way, shape, form, or kind?
No, what do you mean?
Why are you reporting sweaty balls? Why are you just?
I can't hear
reporting?
any of you. I muted you all, stupid heads.
Okay, yeah, that's. Yeah, it's just. Yeah. Okay.
Wormy. Eat the worm.
Then you got for 100,000.
Okay, I think my job is finished here. busting or not busting.
Blue top
Just-
hat, I follow you, so can I join?
Yeah, yep.
Man, your fingers taste delicious, bro. There's no.
What are you doing?
People that just the new people.
I'll tell you a secret.
Who? Do you know who Snookums is on TikTok?
Hey, can you tell me if this is
It's like
Oh my God,
it's
keep
a
cutting.
grill tag
No.
artist.
Okay, I don't hear anybody singing or also being toxic. So canyons busting out. Bobby.
It's called Lemming Lemon.
But you gotta do it right here.
I'm going to the forest.
I heard something called Lemming Lemon.
Lemon, lemon.
Something called Lemming
This place is like
Lemon.
one of the
I've heard
most
something called Lemon.
What the heck?
Something called Lemon.
There's
Yeah.
no ropes in the beach ball. There's not
I heard it. Who called
Ah!
it? Somebody said lemoning. Somebody said lemoning.
Lemoning?
Oh my gosh, I'm leaving.
Lemon.
Pink has a crush on you. Also, Blue wants to be
Part
your
2 coming soon.
Also,
We got
Blue wants to be
somebody in the band.
Also,
My guys in the band.
I love you, Blue.
anyway, I'm gonna go.
The nutty nut the nutty nut how the guy with the nutty nut
What are you talking about, bro?
bison, don't you?
What are you talking about?
I'm making fun of the cosmetics. So it's like must have been
That makes sense. It kind of makes sense.
That must have been an angel by my side.
Now it's time to go into a competitive lobby. Adios.
Why not?
Bro, I'm doing a challenge where I have to find all school cosmetics.
Any
Those two
toxic
are the
kids
last
in
one.
here?
I've been doing the challenge for 3. I've been doing the challenge for 3 days.
You sing like my
Okay, so that makes sense. Okay, whatever.
Yo, get some views.
I need a band. I need a
Band?
circus parade. I need a whole parade. Who will like to join me in a parade?
No.
I said you want to join me in a parade.
No. If I can't see you, you can't see me.
Oh, come on! Batman! Oh, come on! Hey, boy! Wanna give me a kiss?
What?
Bo, we have the same color code.
You muted all the people that are annoying.
They don't. No, you don't, bro. Talking about me.
Yeehaw!
What
Yeehaw!
It looks stupid as
But what are you doing? If I can't see you, you can't see me.
The whistle's poisonous.
Did you invented?
Come here, little buzzo.
I must go and kill the world. Casual.
If I can't see you, you can't see me.
It's there. Look at it.
Join the code. QWERTY.
How many people are
Quarantine?
there?
Okay, I'll
gonna
join the
be in
code
some.
quarantine.
I got 2.
Life is Roblox.
My arm isn't right. Can somebody help me? My arm doesn't go that far. Can somebody?
Oh, yep.
fucking help me? My
Hey,
arm
hey,
doesn't
hey,
go
hey.
that far.
Top hat.
What's
Oh, wait.
happening?
Butter. Peanut butter. Oh.
Listen to me. What's wrong with my arm? What is wrong with my arm?
I don't know. But anyway, you can report peanut butter because like kind of used
Who the
no
fuck
clip.
is Ghost VR?
That's me.
Bro, it's been like a week since I've last played. What's up, boys?
What is wrong with my arm?
You know what? Hey, Wyatt. Have
Yeah?
you ever seen Bowl of Beans on YouTube?
Not this again. Okay, nope. I wish I'd have my time session back. Oh god.
Download, you should download Lucy Tag on SideQuest.
No.
Lucy Tag on SideQuest.
What happens if I say no?
No.
It's alright.
What is that noise?
Put your light on right now. Right now, put your light on.
Who did that? I heard someone like ding ding.
Okay, please. One more toxic kid.
You want to do like a video?
Video? I love videos.
You wanna do
Okay, come to me if you want to do a fashion show.
It's basically just climbing.
Okay, I do.
Instead, add some speed to it.
Hey Wyatt.
Too late now. Dang it.
Does anyone want to join the secret
I'm a
code?
YouTuber. If you want,
Do you want to join a secret code? No. You want to join a secret code? Here, guys, I'll give you 100.
Sure.
Please. Okay, come to the computer.
You got it? You got this cosmetic?
Wait, the code. I was in your house lobby, man. Oh, you're here. Come on, let's go.
I
Come
don't
on,
see
let's
anything
go.
too
Guys,
special
I
with
got-
the code.
Guys, I got someone.
and City. Oh, God,
What's
you're
so special
cool.
about this code? Don't see anything special.
We're doing a role play.
Oh, okay.